Hey, welcome to ChemAsm. In this video, we will learn about nitroalkanes, their preparations, and their applications. Now, let's start nitroalkanes. What are nitroalkanes? These are the type of organic compounds having general formula CnH2n plus 1 and as well as containing nitro group are called nitroalkanes. Actually, nitroalkanes are the alkanes or their derivatives containing nitro groups as a functional group. Examples are given here. You can see 1 2 3 4 4 examples are given here that explains the nitroalkanes. Now, classification of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes can be categorized into three classes: primary nitroalkanes, secondary nitroalkanes, and tertiary nitroalkanes. Here their structures, the structure of nitroalkanes and their classifications are given: primary, secondary, and tertiary. You can see here. Now, preparation of nitroalkanes. How nitroalkanes prepared? Nitroalkanes can be prepared by following methods from alkyl halides. Number one, alkyl halides are used to prepare nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes are obtained by the action of AgNO3 on primary or secondary alkyl halides. We use alkyl bromide or iodide instead of alkyl chloride because using alkyl chloride the reaction occurs very slow. So instead of using alkyl chloride we will use here alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide. Now let's see. Using alkyl bromide we have prepared primary nitroalkane. Now another is ethyl bromide is used along with silver nitride. The product is nitroethane and silver bromide. Now second method is nitration of alkanes. Alkanes are treated with nitrating mixtures, that is fuming nitric acid with concentrated sulfuric acid to give nitro compound. This method will not give good yield in case of aliphatic nitro compound, but will give best yield for aromatic nitro compounds like nitrobenzene. Ethane on nitration gives nitroethanes. You can see here the reaction. For lower number of alkanes we will use the ethane that will give us nitroalkane. By treating methane with fuming nitric acid at 400 Kelvin we will get nitromethane. Now you can see the reaction is on screen. Second one is for higher number of alkanes. If we treated higher alkanes, then it will produce a mixture of nitro compound. Then you can see here what is mixture. A mixture of products is obtained that is of nitroalkanes. Third one is using salt of alpha halogenocarboxylic acid. Decarboxylation of acids give nitromethane. The reaction is here under. Next one is by primary amines. Tertiary nitroalkanes are prepared by oxidation of tertiary alkyl amines with potassium with KMnO4. Potassium permanganate. Now the reaction is given. Fifth one is from alpha nitroalkenes. Lower nitroalkanes are prepared by hydrolyzing alpha nitroalkenes in acidic medium. You can see the reaction here. One nitropropene is used here along with water. Now first product is acetaldehyde and the second one is nitromethane, that's simply nitroalkane. Second one is 2-methyl 1-nitropropene is used where acetone and nitromethane is also products from oximes. One is using oximes we can also get nitroalkanes. Primary and secondary nitroalkanes obtained by oxidizing aldoximes and ketozymes in the presence of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. Now you can see aldoximes along with nascent oxygen in the presence of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid we get primary nitroalkanes. Next one is ketoximes. Using ketoenzymes and nascent oxygen in the presence of trifluoroperoxyacetic acid, we get secondary nitroalkanes. At last, applications of nitroalkanes. Now, first application is nitroalkanes are highly explosive, especially when they contain more than one nitro group. When we use the nitro group or the compound having more than one nitro group is explosive, so it can be used in the relative fields. Second one is nitroalkanes are used as solvent for oils, fats, shellac. What's shellac? A resinous substance obtained from lac is not one lac, it's lake insect. Lake insects melted into thin flakes that is used for making varnishes and cellulose derivatives. Third one is they are used for manufacturing of primary amines, carboxylic acids and their derivatives. Fourth one is nitroalkanes are considered as the derivative of alkanes in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by nitro group. Fifth one is nitroalkanes are important for the production of highly substituted alkanes, complex molecules including carboxylic acids, aldehydes, ketones, complex heterocyclic structures. Now applications are ended and the video trial is also completed.